Welcome back. So today we're going to be cooking up some wild turkey. No, not the whiskey. In this case, we're going to cook up a wild turkey. So my dad and I went hunting last weekend. My dad came back with a wild turkey. So we're going to cook that up. We're going to cook the breast by frying it up, and we're going to cook the legs of the gizzard in Instapot just to make them nice and tender, and it'll be absolutely delicious. So before we get started, here's a little joke for you. How does a turkey play the drums? With his drumsticks. All right, terrible. So without further ado, let's get started. So to start off, what we're going to do is we're going to cook the wings, the thighs, and the legs, and the gizzard. So what we're going to do is we're going to take all that, dump it into a pressure cooker, add an onion, add about half a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic, and 1 tablespoon of coarse black pepper. And then we're going to add about 32 ounces of chicken broth. And then we're just going to cook this in an Instapot on the pressure cook setting for about 40 minutes. So once you get your legs, thighs, wings, and gizzard going, what we're going to do is we're going to take our turkey breast and we're just going to cut these into strips. So once you have your turkey breast cut up, what we're going to do is we're going to crack 4 eggs into a bowl. Here we just have 4. You may need more depending on how much turkey breast you have, but here we're just going to beat up 4 eggs. Once you get that homogeneous, what we're going to do is we're going to take about 3 cups of flour. What we're going to do is we're just going to add about 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, and then we're going to just drizzle some of our egg on top, and then we're just going to give this a nice stir. By adding that egg, what it's going to do is going to kind of create some lumps. That way we get some extra lumpy friedness on there, which can be absolutely delicious. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our turkey and we're going to toss it and coat it in the flour, and then we're going to take it and we're going to dip it in the egg. Make sure it's nice and coated with egg all around. And then we're going to take it and we're going to dump it back into the flour. And then we're just going to coat it real good. And there you go. And then we're just going to put this on a plate. Now it's ready to be fried. Now that we have our battered turkey tenders, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and fry them. So in a pan of oil, in this case we're using vegetable oil, we're just going to heat this guy up to about 350 to 375 degrees. Once it's between there, we can go ahead and start frying. So we're just going to drop as many of these turkey tenders into the pan as possible. Make sure not to make it too overcrowded, otherwise they're not going to cook properly. So we're just going to wait for these guys to turn a golden brown. Once they do, we're going to flip them over and then wait till the other side to turn a golden brown. So then we're just going to take them out and put them on a plate with a paper towel. Then with some of the turkey breast, what we're going to do is we're just going to bake this. So before we bake it, we're just going to add a tablespoon of garlic powder and then about a tablespoon of Cajun Seasoning. And then we're just going to dump that on top, and then we're just going to kind of toss this around in the seasonings. So then once you get everyone nice and coated, what we're going to do is we're just going to throw this in the oven at about 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the internal temperature of the turkey is about 165.
Do you like it?
I like that one.
All right, hold on. We'll save that one for last, okay?
Do you like it?
Yeah.
What's your favorite? What's your favorite?
Here you go. Here's a bike.
Oh, thank you.
All right, ready, y'all? You ready then?
Yeah.
All right, so we have the man, the myth, the legend, the turkey hunter. So here we have our turkey. It's all cooked up. So we have the baked, the fried, and pressure cooked. And then we have the gizzard in the back here. So what would you like to start with?
I want that one.
Oh,
Well, let's start with
the fried one. Of course.
Yummy, yummy. Honey, sweat a piece.
There you go.
Well, thank you.
I want work.
It's very good.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
It's really good. Nice and crunchy on the outside. Has really good flavor.
Multiple layers of flavor and texture.
And obviously she loves it.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
It's delicious.
It's you got a microphone on.
So would you like to try the baked one next?
Okay.
Not bad.
Good
It's
flavor.
tough.
Tougher.
If I were to do that one again, I'd probably beat it with a mallet or something, just to try to get it tenderized. Oh, well, I guess she's done. All right, would you like to try the leg next?
Yeah. Did you know a turkey can jump higher than the Empire State Building?
I did not know that.
Empire State Building can't jump at all.
And you wonder where I get the dad jokes from. That is good.
A lot of people don't eat the legs and throw them out, but I find that they're almost like a beef.
Really good. It's like a nice tender beef. Absolutely delicious. All right. Now, last but not least, would you like to try the gizzard? Wow, it's actually really tender.
It's really tender.
I did not expect that. So here we go.
Really tender.
It's actually really good. It is really good, actually.
They're all very good.
Thank you. I would say the gizzard actually tastes kind of like a beef. I don't know. But it's like super tender. It's absolutely delicious. I would not have expected that at all. All right, so with that being said, if you like this video, please hit that like button down below. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified every time we make a new video. Until next time, we'll see you later.
Bye.